Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's haul. These are mostly auction items. I think there's one or two items that we found at thrift stores, like that Tupperware jelly mold in the back. But we got a set of ashtrays and some juice glasses and a whole flat of salt and pepper shakers. That green glass you can see is not uranium glass, it's just green glass. Those juice glasses come with juice pitchers, and this is just a stainless steel set. And then this gold tone set we will probably put in our markets. It probably will not be listed online. And then those are Benedict Proctor silver plated salt and pepper shakers. And we got a lot of wood and a really big bowl. And the wood has some very cool serving utensils. And then this is what we got at thrift stores this week. Includes some serving utensils, Harley Davidson belt buckle, some pins, some cranberry glass, serving dishes, some Johnny Walker highball glasses. I picked up some tea towels for the market. There's another belt buckle. And that is everything. Please like and subscribe.